Okay, now let us talk of the petroleum. तो सी वी नो दैट पेट्रोल जो है, जो एक पेट्रोलियम का कंपोनेंट है, राइट. पेट्रोल इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पेट्रोलियम रिफाइनिंग. इट इज यूज एज अ फ्यूल in automobiles like car, scooter, motorcycle, etc. Heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors, they run on diesel. So petrol and diesel both are obtained from the natural resource called petroleum. So let us see how petroleum was formed, or how it is formed. So petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. When these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea, and they got covered with layers of sand and clay. Millions of years में, लाखों सालों बाद, due to absence of air, due to high temperature, because of the interior of earth, and because of high pressure of water and the sand, that clay and sand, the dead organisms were transformed into petroleum and natural gas. So wherever petroleum is found, we also get natural gas deposits. See, this is a petroleum and natural gas deposit. At very deep in the earth's crust, there are rocks, right? Rock layer. Just above the rock layer, we have the layer of oil. This is petroleum. Yeah, say there's a water layer, and then we have a petroleum gas layer. Above this petroleum gas layer, above the petroleum oil layer, we have a layer of gas, natural gas. And what is done? We dig wells. Right? See, like this well is dug, it will reach the gas layer, and we take out gas. This well goes much deeper, and it goes right into the petroleum layer, and petroleum now will come out from this well. So we have this gas well, and we have a petroleum well, and this is how we take out the petroleum, and then we refine it. Now in that figure you saw one thing, ke water was at the bottom and petroleum was at the top. The reason being that oil and gas are less dense compared to water, so oil will float on water. So wherever water and gas are there, they will not mix, they are immiscible. So gas will and the oil will come on top, and water will remain at the bottom. Now the world's first oil well, the very first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania state area of America, USA, in 1859. Then 8 years later, in 1867, oil, means petroleum, was struck, not stuck but struck, STRUCK, at Makkum in Assam in India. Now where is oil found or petroleum found in India? So in India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High. Mumbai High is in the ocean. It's around 90 km away from Mumbai, in the ocean, in the Arabian Sea, not ocean, in the Arabian Sea. It is also found in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. So this is, some oil deposits also are now found in Rajasthan also. This petroleum is not pure, it's a mixture of many different substances. So this petroleum will have to be refined. Refined means cleaned, or the different substances from it have to be separated. So petroleum is a dark, oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor, means smell. It's a mixture of various constituents like petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. The process of separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum is known as refining, and this is carried out in a petroleum refinery. This pic shows a petroleum refinery where the process of petroleum is separated out into these different fractions. Various constituents of petroleum and their uses are given in this table. The first constituent is LPG, that is called petroleum gas in liquefied form, that is called liquefied, see, LIQUIFIED, liquefied petroleum gas. It is used as fuel for home and industry. Then petrol, second component, as a fuel in motor vehicles, in aviation, means in aeroplane, etc., as a solvent for dry cleaning. Then we have kerosene as a fuel for stove, lamp, and for jet aircrafts. It is used as a fuel in jet aircrafts. Then we have diesel as a fuel in heavy motor vehicles, even in electric generator, etc. Then we have lubricating oil, for lubrication it is used. We have paraffin wax to make ointments, candle, Vaseline, etc. Bitumen, that for paints and road surfacing. This is a very important table up. Please do learn this table. Now, many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. They are called petrochemicals. Right? All the chemicals obtained from petroleum and natural gas are called petrochemicals. These are used in the manufacture. Where are they used? In the manufacture of detergents, fibers like polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc., to make plastic bags like polythene and other man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizer like urea. So due to its great commercial importance, it's very, very important commercially, petroleum is also called black gold. Right? Petroleum is called black gold because it is very, very, very important. Alright, so we talked of petroleum in this video. We will discuss natural gas and the remaining topic in the last video, the next video. So see you then, bye.